The 46th edition of Eima International is an extraordinary edition, not just because it presents very important numbers. We're talking about 1,750 exhibitors, of which 675 from abroad that are presenting 60,000 models of machines to serve all models of agriculture throughout the world and to meet the challenges of agriculture. It's not just important, however, this exhibition for the numbers, but because it's an innovation factory. And this, right from the start, was a strategic choice of ours, because this is where we show all the technological solutions that will meet the enormous general challenges. And in fact, it's not by chance that we believe that you can only use new generation machines with new generation technologies to do this, and these are in our exhibition in large numbers, and the specialization they have is quite extraordinary. And this specialization is further confirmed with our so-called specialization areas, which are increasingly important with lots of companies. And we have a dedicated program of themes to discuss in the agricultural mechanization field. Eima Digital will have a new space of training and debate, for example, looking at all the technological trends that are most important. For example, we're going from sensors to electrification, AI, and robotics, and services for production and working the land. This is just to cite a couple. And also, it's an important exhibition for the things that will be discussed in the 150 meetings. That will be focus groups, talk shows, seminars, and these will enliven the 5 days of the exhibition. And then we also have many other new initiatives that want to show how Eima is not just a point of reference for the overall global sector, but also it's a real place where you can come together. We have, in fact, inaugurated this year new features, in other words, initiatives that are get-togethers that want to allow the visitors to enjoy things outside of the fairgrounds. We have a large party that is planned for the 8th of November, that's Friday, and many other initiatives actually in the town that will welcome all the visitors from our exhibition. We have a dedicated shop called I Love Eima. So we've got lots of things going on to really enjoy the exhibition together. Countries like Russia and Ukraine, which were formerly main producers of cereals, now have certain changes and difficulties, Russia and Ukraine for different reasons. So we have a shift in the routes of production. Brazil has always been a large producer and is even more so now. And we saw also they have increased their imports of machines and more technological ones, certainly Argentina as well. And then Australia, that's another country that is increasing its production. And the United States, of course, is always a great large producer of grains and cereals. This means new opportunities for our companies. They have to move fast and understand where these new production routes are. And then also we know that the machines that we develop are suitable for all types of terrains and situations. But we know that, of course, there are different markets, because selling in Brazil is not the same as doing so in Argentina. But our companies are flexible, resilient, and tenacious. We'll certainly get there. If we look at the curve of the sector, and usually the downturn lasts about, say, 2 years, so we're all confident about the future.